Hey guys, today I'm in Monte Cristi. This is the north part of the island, and I'm here just because of that thing that you see right there, El Morro. I wanted to get the FPV drone here and show you guys a different perspective of that incredible rock with the rock mountain just in front of it. So that's the plan. I'm first gonna go down here, show you guys around, and after I'm gonna go on the top of that mountain right there and get the FPV flying. Let's do it. Now on foot to the top of El Morro so I can fly the FPV and go through the rocks. It should be about a 20-minute walk, and then from there I can launch the FPV drone and hopefully get amazing shots. Okay, I'm here at the top. It's super windy, but let's see how the FPV drone does here. It should be okay. I don't have a big area to land, but let's see what happens. But this is part of the game. You want epic shots, you need to take the risk. Sometimes you get rewarded and sometimes you don't. But I will conquer El Morro. I'm gonna try to see where I can find another GoPro. I have another drone with me. Actually, I need a GoPro 6 or 7 black. I'm gonna see where I can find it. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. I'm gonna come back. Hopefully the tide is down and I can walk towards where the drone dropped. So basically I'm just gonna spend the night here in Monte Cristi. We need to make this an adventure. So I'm a little bit sad, you know, I just built that drone, brand new GoPro, but let's keep going. One drone down, but I think I'm gonna find it tomorrow. Tomorrow it is, so see you in a bit. Okay, I'm here and hopefully the water has cleared and I can find the drone. See you in a bit with the drone, hopefully. Okay, just came back, was down there, but the water is still very high. I cannot reach where I think the drone is. So I lost that drone with the GoPro. So it's time to fly the second drone I have with me here. I do have another GoPro. The only thing is that it doesn't have the same stabilization as the one I lost. Let's begin to hike up. I'm back at the top. If you see, I lost it right there, and that's where I'm going back right now. I mean, it's windy like yesterday, but this is what it's all about. I mean, I have to go again and get that shot for you guys. Feel that energy, that fear. Yeah, let's do it. just landed. I think I got the shots, but it's so windy. I lost one drone. I did it with this one. That's the little guy that did it. And see you in the next adventure.